Okay, this is the machine. When you receive the machine, this parts will keep. You can check this mesh, we will keep it. And then, but we will cut the wires here. So when you receive the machine, you can use your wire welder machine, connect the wires, and then let the machine go on working. Okay, now like this machine, when you receive the machine, the machine will be like this. So you use your wire welder to connect your wire material with these wires. Then you can go on working. No need to adjust this machine, waste so much time. So you receive the machine will be like this. But maybe sometimes you need to change the distance of the line wires. So now let me introduce how to change the distance of the line wire. Change these places like this way or like this way. Make this hole smaller or make this hole bigger. How to change? You may think you need to change these places. And you can check back of these places there's one gear. So every time you must make these gears, you can check this gear must put in this gear. So every time you may think you can only change one gear, little by little, to one gear, 2 gears, 3 gears accordingly. But it is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because you can check here, this up roller. This is also one hole, so they are matched. So every time you can change only one hole distance. One hole distance is 1 inch. So every time you can change 1 inch. But this place is ½ inch, 0.5 inch. This is ½ inch. So every time you can change 1 inch. That is 2 curves. Every time change 2 curves, every time change 2 curves, bigger or smaller 2 curves. This is the minimum unit, 2 curves for this part, okay? So this part changed, certainly you know this part will be also changed, like this way or like this side or like that side. This part changed, this part changed, and accordingly, this part will be also changed, like this side or this side. This part also like this side or this side. And also this part changed like this side or this side. And also this part changed this side or this side. So you just change according to that. I will tell you how to put the connector wire. You know, when you get the connector wire through here, you don't know how long this connector wire put, right? Because you don't know how long this parts. But the machine knows. So you just get this long wire, connector wire out, and then using this machine, manual working, and step by step, let this connector wire cut it. You know, just now I show you the working process. The wire will be cut it. After this cut it, then go on the next step. So next time the connector wire cutting, it will be the length the machine needed.